Welcome to Oceanside, Oregon. I'm here filming on a new 360 camera called the PanoX V2. It shoots in 5.7K 360 video, and it also takes 12K still photos, 360 photos. I've just threw it on a little selfie stick here, and I'm walking on the beach with no external mic, and I'm gonna just walk around the beach for you and test it out. This is all undoctored footage. I'm just throwing it on a timeline in Premiere. Let's see how it looks in the headset. On my channel, you will see lots of VR videos that you can watch in your headset. If you haven't yet, go back and look through my playlists.
Alright, so once again, I'm in Oceanside, Oregon. This is an awesome beach. If you haven't been here before, I recommend it. The water is cold, the sun is bright today. You'll see the 3 art sharks out there. There's some sea lions, I'm sure you can't see right now, but this is near the Oregon coast near Tillamook. You might have heard of Tillamook cheese. Tillamook cheese is just a couple of miles here from the beach. And it's about, ooh, that's a big wave. So you gotta watch out for sea waves. Never turn it back to the ocean. And here comes the fast one down on it. Oh boy. Never turn your back to the ocean. Never turn your back to the ocean. How's the wind today? Pretty gnarly?
Kind of not consistent. That's real gnarly, but mostly not consistent.
Did you used to do hang gliders before the kite?
Yeah.
You were one of the hang glider guys?
No, I'm just one of these guys.
Okay.
No, they gotta have fun. Don't step on my lines.
Yeah,
you're cool now. Thank you. Hi, guys.
I just want to say one more thing.
Yes, I'm listening.
Did you follow a plane for me on that, or did
No.
Well, how did you get up there then?
I just ran off the top of the mountain up there.
What?
Right up there, there's a gap you can see. It's called Maxwell Mountain. There's a place where we can run off above the trees, and then the wind comes and picks us up in the air.
What's your name, sir?
Dave Blizzard.
Dave Blizzard.
78 years old, still doing this.
Do you live out here?
I live North Portland in Shoals.
Okay. Well, glad you had a safe flight.
Thank you. Yeah.
Have a good one.
A lot of fun. Thank you.
Can I take your picture here?
Huh?
Can I take your picture for it?
Absolutely.
Okay, hold on.
Great. Now, if you got my landing, Did you get my landing?
I tried with this camera, but it's kind of experimental.
Oh, is that a
one of those
360?
ones, so I don't know what it's going to look like. But
cool.
we'll see.
Well, good luck. Yeah, it's a nice. Get down early.
Dave, I'm going to keep recording while you're doing this, because now I can get close to you.
Oh yeah, no problem. No problem at all. This is my bumblebee.
Yeah, we were waiting over at Cape Lookout the whole time.
This falls down into the whole thing is like 28 pounds and fits on my back.
What is this called? What is this contraption?
It's called a paraglider.
Paraglider.
It's a lightweight paraglider.
You just jumped off a mountain to get down here, right?
Yeah, Maxwell Mountain, which is right up at the top here. It's 600 feet up above here.
And how old did you say you were, Dave?
78 years old.
78 years old.
Years young. Still going like a banshee. Yeah, no, I'm going to Ecuador next month, and I'm going to Colombia to fly in February.
Wow.
And since I retired, that's all I've been doing.
Just flying nonstop.
5 years and keep going, man.
Awesome. Well, wish you the best of luck down south of, but near the equator.
Oh, thanks.
Thanks for recording, Dave.
All right.
All right.
You got it, Charles. Thank you.